Claudius Galen was a Greek physician, surgeon, and philosopher that went to Rome for fame and fortune. From a young age, he received education from his father, who was a wealthy architect. His father sent him to the school of Asclepius, which was dedicated to a Greek god of medicine. After his father's death, Galen studied at the medical school of Alexandria in Egypt. He traveled a lot, exposing him to a wide range of medical theories. Before settling in Rome, he was a personal physician for several emperors of Rome. In 157 AD, Galen worked as a physician to the gladiators, which extended his knowledge of anatomy, surgery, and methods of treatment. Galen contributed greatly to understanding numerous scientific disciplines, including anatomy, physiology, pathology, and neurology. Pathology is the precise study and diagnosis of disease. Physiology is a scientific study of functions in a living system. He studied the nervous system, respiratory system, and the circulatory system. When Galen studied the circulatory system, he thought that the veins pumped the blood, but this was proven incorrect in 1628 when William Harvey published his treatise saying that the heart acted as a pump. Galen conducted many nerve ligation experiments showing that the brain controls motion of muscles by cranial and peripheral nervous system. This is still accepted today. He performed a public dissection of a live pig, trying to prove the theory true. Galen was fearful of being poisoned by other physicians, so he fled back to Greece. He was summoned back 7 years later by the Emperor of Rome about the Antonine Plague. Galen was able to identify symptoms and could tell if the person is going to live. Galen was well known for supporting and adding to the Hippocratic understanding of pathology and promoting his teachings of bloodletting and the four humors. Galen was a skilled surgeon, but his procedures were not used again for centuries. He did procedures on the brain and eyes and corrected cataracts, very similar to the modern surgery. Galen kept a collection of his works called Galenic Corpus, but 2/3 of it has been destroyed. Galen's work was accepted for so long because his ideas were extremely influential and he studied anatomy. He wrote very persuasively, and his ideas were accepted by both Christians and Muslims. Although Galen never performed a human dissection, he encouraged other physicians to do so they could learn more about the human anatomy. Andreas Vesalius was the first to do a human dissection. Galen's contributions made a foundation for new medical advances and provided knowledge about the body and surgery.